Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to see your liked shorts on YouTube. Let's go. YouTube Shorts is the way to shoot, share, and binge short videos. Think 60 seconds or less on YouTube. It's where you can go to get creative, explore new ideas, and connect with others. There's no fancy equipment needed, and no limit on what you can create. First of all, YouTube mobile app, and then tap on the shorts. Now here you will see YouTube Shorts. For the purpose of this video, I am going to like few shorts. Then tap on the library button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says Liked Videos. Now you will be able to see all of the videos you've liked on YouTube. So to specifically see all the YouTube shorts you liked, simply tap the Shorts button, and now you will be able to see all of the shorts you've liked on YouTube. Shorts focuses on vertical videos that are less than 60 seconds of duration and various features for user interaction. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.